Hey, what's going on YouTubers? It's Mark Methods. Today we're going to be uninstalling my NVIDIA N1 catback and we will be installing a new HKS high power single exit exhaust. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's unbox this. So these are some of the additional things that you get in the HKS high-powered exhaust box. The instructions tell us to start off with installing the intermediate pipe first, then the main muffler, and then hook up the actual resonator. These are kind of interesting. These are the gaskets for the exhaust. This one got a little bent up in shipping. Hopefully it works. If not, figure something out or contact the manufacturer for new ones. But it seems simple. Let's get to it. I'm going to give a little bit of grease to the exhaust hanger just so that it slides in easier. So I'm just going to use a paper towel to kind of goop it in. We're just going to let that hang. I'm going to poke the bolt through on this side. Washer, lock washer, and nut. Just going to make these finger tight for now. The last step is to install the included titanium tip cover. It's installed using the included hardware like this. So you have your split washer, your washer, you put that through. I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on here, then you tighten it down. Now with this, you're going to need an H4 hex and a 10mm wrench. All right, so we're gonna use an Allen wrench and a small gear wrench. After installing the single exit exhaust, now this opens up this bolt right here, which is directly in the center of this exhaust cutout. And I'm gonna put a tow strap in here for going out drifting. Just one of these cheap $15 Sparco units. This is a 14mm bolt. See, drops right in, then you get yourself a tow strap. Should be good to go. All right guys, so that's it for today's install. Let me know in the comments below whether you like the HKS or the NVIDIA exhaust better as far as the sound range. And consider subscribing, liking the video, it helps me a lot. All right, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.